Welcome student, how are you? I hope all of you fine. Lecture number 9, class 4, and our topic is factors and multiples. Serial number book page number 47, question number 5. Find the LCM of given numbers using the prime factorization method. हमने क्या LCM फाइंड आउट करना है यूजिंग प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से. फर्स्ट हम प्राइम फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करेंगे 8, 16 एंड 24 के. नाउ फाइंड द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1 is 2. Prime factors of 16. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1 is 2. Prime factors of 24 is 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1 is 3. Prime factors of 8. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, prime factors of 16 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, prime factors of 24 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, LCM of 8, 16 and 24 is, तो LCM फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, जो कॉमन है उसको सिर्फ हम वन टाइम राइट करेंगे. ओके, और बाकियों का हम उसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, तो इसमें से कॉमन क्या है, 2, ये 2 कॉमन है, ये 2 कॉमन है एंड ये कॉमन है. ओके, एलसीएम ऑफ 8, 16 एंड 24 इज 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2. इनको सिर्फ हम वन टाइम राइट करेंगे एंड जो बाकी नंबर्स हैं उनको इनके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3. ओके, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Okay, LCM of 8, 16 and 24 is 48. Question number 5, part B. 10, 15 and 25. Now find the prime factors of 10, 15 and 25. Okay, prime factors of 10 is 2 5s are 10, 5 1 is 5. Prime factors of 15 is 3 5s are 15, 5 1 is 5. Prime factors of 25 is 5 5s are 25, 5 1 is 5. Okay, prime factors of 10 is 2 multiplied by 5. Prime factors of 15 is 3 multiplied by 5. Okay, prime factors of 25 is 5 multiplied by 5. Okay, अब इनमें से कॉमन कौन सा है, 5 को सिर्फ हम वन टाइम राइट करेंगे एंड जो बाकी नंबर्स हैं उनको इनके साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. LCM of 10, 15 and 25 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 35s are 150. Now start the word problems. Serial number book page number 46. Question number 1. What is the least number of children who may be arranged in rows of 12, 15 and 9? हमने least numbers of children find out करनी है जो कि arrange हो सके in rows में 12, 15 and 9 की rows में जो कि arrange हो सके. Okay, find the LCM of 12, 15 and 9. हम इनका क्या करेंगे, LCM find out करेंगे. Okay, now first we find the prime factors of 12, 15 and 9. Prime factors of 12 is 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1 is 3. Prime factors of 15 is 3 5s are 15, 5 1 is 5. Prime factors of 9 is 3 3s are 9, 3 1 is 3. Okay, prime factors of 12 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Prime factors of 15 is 3 multiplied by 5. Prime factors of 9 is 3 multiplied by 3. इन तीनों में अब जो कॉमन है उसको सिर्फ हम वन टाइम राइट करेंगे और बाकी नंबर्स इनके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. LCM of 12, 15 and 9 is 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, multiply by 3. इसको सिर्फ हम वन टाइम राइट करेंगे. Multiply by 5 multiply by 3. 2 multiply by 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 60 3s are 180. LCM of 12, 15 and 9 is 180. Okay, the least number of children arranged in rows 180 children. कितने number of children हर रो में arranged होंगे, 180. Question number 2. 3 bells toll at an interval of 4, 5 and 6 seconds. After how much time will they toll together? Okay, कह रहे हैं कि 3 bells ने toll किए हैं 4, 5 and 6 seconds के interval से. इसके बाद वो कितने टाइम में इकट्ठे toll करेंगी. Okay, together is the key word. So we will find the LCM of 4, 5 and 6 by finding the prime factors. First we find the prime factors of 4, 5 and 6. Okay, prime factors of 4 is 2 2s are 4, 2 1 is 2. Prime factors of 5 is 5 1 is 5. Prime factors of 6 is 2 3s are 6, 3 1 is 3. Okay, prime factors of 4, 2 multiplied by 2. Prime factors of 5 is 5. Prime factors of 6 is 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, LCM of 4 5 and 6 is, अब इनमें से कोई भी कॉमन, तो हम इन सबको क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 22s are 40, 43s are 120. ओके, 120 सेकेंड्स में ये इकट्ठे टॉल करेंगे. ओके, द बेल टॉल टुगेदर 120 सेकेंड्स. ओके, 1 मिनट में कितने सेकेंड्स होते हैं? 60. ओके, तो 120 सेकेंड 60, 62 आर 120. ओके, 120 सेकेंड्स आर 2 minutes. Question number 3. Saima goes to her friend every 15 days and Laiba goes to same friend every 18 days. Saima अपने फ्रेंड के घर जाती है 15 दिन के बाद और लाइबा उसी फ्रेंड के घर जाती है 18 डेज के बाद. ओके, आफ्टर हाउ मैनी डेज साइमा एंड लाइबा विल यू विजिट द फ्रेंड टुगेदर. कह रहे कितने डेज के बाद लाइबा एंड साइमा विजिट करती हैं अपने फ्रेंड के घर टुगेदर. ओके, टुगेदर इज द की वर्ड, सो वी विल फाइंड द LCM of 18 and 15 by finding the prime factors of 15 and 18. Okay, first we find the prime factors. Prime factors of 15 is 3 5s are 15, 5 1 is 5. And prime factors of 18 is 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1 is 3. Okay, prime factors of 15 is 3 multiplied by 5. Prime factors of 18 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Okay, इनमें से कॉमन कौन सा? 3. LCM of 15 and 18 is 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, 3 5s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 33s are 90. Okay, LCM of 15 and 18 is 90. Okay, they will visit the friend together in 90 days. वो दोनों इकट्ठे कब कितने दिनों के बाद अपने फ्रेंड को विजिट करती हैं? 19 days. Question number 4. Which is the least which can exactly divided by 36, 64 and 72. हमने वो लीस्ट नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है जो कि 36, 64 एंड 75 को एक्जैक्टली डिवाइड कर सके. नाउ फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ 36 to 64 एंड 72. ओके, प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ 36 इज 2 1 is 2, 3 में से 2 माइनस के 1 इधर चला गया 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1 is 3. Okay, prime factors of 64 is 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1 is 2, 3 में से 2 माइनस किया 1 इधर चला गया 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1 is 2. Okay, prime factors of 72 is 2 3s are 6, 1 इधर चला गया 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 1 is 2, 3 में से 2 माइनस किया 1 इधर चला गया 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1 is 3. Prime factors of 36 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Prime factors of 64 is 2 multiplied by 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 2. Prime factors of 72 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now LCM of 36, 64 and 72 is, जो कॉमन है उसको हम सिर्फ वन टाइम राइट करेंगे. ओके, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. Okay, multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 2s are 72, 72 are 144, 144 2s are 288, 288 2s are 576, 576 2s are 1152, multiplied by 3s are 3456, multiplied by 3s are 10,368. The least number which can exactly divided by 36, 64 and 72 is 10,368. Solve exercise 2F. Question number 5 plus word problems, book page number 46 on notebook, plus learn table of 10 oral blast dodging.